I can't remember the song. Can you help me sing it?
Say
Mario Brothers Land 2. Hi everybody. I'm Blake Provider. I'm the one that made this song on the video. And we're gonna see and we're gonna look and how we know how to play Mario Brothers 2, Mario Brothers 1, and all the Mario Brothers in the movie.